Hello everyone, this video introduces the feature-to-line function in the vector conversion tool. This function creates a feature class containing lines generated by one of the following methods: converting polygon boundaries to lines, splitting lines, or splitting polygons or lines at the intersection of two features. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Feature-to-Line tool. Double-click to open the function window. The input features can be lines, polygons, or both. If you check the Preserve Attributes option, the input attributes will be retained in the output features. This is the default setting. If unchecked, the input attributes will be discarded in the output features. Next, set the storage location and name for the output line features. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion from features to lines will be successful. You can use the pick function to check the geometry type of the output line features. That's all for the introduction to the feature-to-line function. Thank you for watching.